a peek into the world of data processing. Have you ever wondered how your favorite video game works or how websites magically show you the right information? It's all about data processing. Let's dive into this fascinating world and discover what happens behind the scenes. In our adventure today, let's imagine a super fun theme park, the Data Park. In Data Park, there are lots of thrilling rides, cool games, and fantastic shows, just like the internet we browse or the games we play. But how do we keep all these attractions in perfect sync and super enjoyable? That's the job of data processing. First, meet the data. Data is like little pieces of information, numbers, letters, or even pictures that we collect to understand or do something. Imagine you're collecting shiny marbles, like the data, to build a colorful picture. The start of the excitement. When you enter Data Park, every ride, game, and show you choose needs to get ready to give you the best experience. This is like when you click on a game or a website and it starts to load. Queue management. Imagine long lines at your favorite roller coaster. The park has to ensure everyone gets a chance to enjoy it. Data processing arranges the information lineup so things happen smoothly and quickly, making decisions along the way, just like managing those queues. Making sense of data. Before you join a ride, you might pick up a map or follow signs to know where you're heading. Similarly, data processing organizes all those data marbles to understand what needs to be done. It's like having a map to make a perfect picture. Time for some action. Now let's say you get on the ride of your choice. Data processing is like the awesome operator who checks if everything is working correctly. The seatbelts, the mechanics, and the timers. Showtime. When the ride begins, you enjoy every twist and turn, thanks to things running perfectly. Data processing works behind the scenes, ensuring everything you see on your screen is seamless and just right, all in the blink of an eye. All set for a new adventure. Just as you finish a ride and run to the next, data processing resets and picks the next task, ensuring everything keeps going without a hitch. So, the next time you surf the internet, play a game, or send a message to a friend, remember the magical world of data processing. It's busy managing, organizing, and displaying your data so you can have a smooth experience, just like a day at Data Park. Isn't it amazing how invisible processes make our digital worlds run so effortlessly? The unseen heroes, like our park operators, work tirelessly to ensure everything is just the way we love it.